Hello, my name is Amy Martell, and I'm a curriculum consultant here with the Blast IU17 Intermediate Unit. Today we're going to be talking about a strategy called Give Them a Chance. The problem is that a lot of the students in the classroom look at the teacher as the expert in the classroom. These students look at the teacher as the person who has all the answers. The idea is that the students could look at the classroom itself as a community of learners. This move requires the creation of a classroom community where students seek to solve problems and find answers together. It's an opportunity for students to collaboratively raise questions and to encourage each other and question asked. This strategy will enable students to feel competent in their mathematical thinking abilities. The strategy is that when the teachers ask a question, they would turn that question around to the class to try to problem solve and answer the question. They might have to give the class a chance to write down their answer, to think it through mathematically, and then to answer the question. Or they may be able to talk with a partner about how they would answer that question. Either way, the idea is that the classroom becomes the expert. The teacher tip is that when you're about to turn the question around to the class, make sure that you ask the person who asked the question to repeat the question or to rephrase it in another way. This will enable the class to listen carefully, and they notice a repeat, so they're going to listen carefully to the question so they know exactly what they're going to be answering. You may also instruct the class that they're about to answer the question, and then you may go back to that first student and say, could you please ask your question again, just to make sure that everybody heard the question so they know exactly what they're to be doing, answering the question. When your class becomes proficient at answering questions that they pose, it's likely that you won't have to ask the student to repeat the question as your class becomes more accustomed to answering questions that their peers may pose. Thank you for watching.